Hello,
Hi, good afternoon. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Hello? Yes, sir. My name is Sari Abdullah, sir. I am calling from Benefitpay. Sir, are you using Benefitpay, sir?
No, I don't use Benefitpay. What happened?
Sir, my dear brother, your account and your Benefitpay is old version is closed. We are updating, sir. New version is 3D secure system for your safety and security, sir. You need
Okay.
an update, sir. Your Benefitpay not updated, sir. Yeah, now we want to continue this.
What do you want to
Why
update?
you want to close, sir? Sir, we are updating, sir, your account, your Benefitpay, sir. Your number is 36. Your number.
But why you do you want to update account?
My dear brother, old version is sir temporarily locked, sir. We are updating this, sir. New version is 3D secure system for your safety and security, sir. You need an update, sir. Your account not updated, sir.
No, but from where you are calling?
Sir, I am calling from Manama area, sir.
Where?
Manama area, sir.
Then why you calling me on WhatsApp? Why don't call me from your office number or my mobile
my
number?
dear brother, 2 days we are sending you notification your number, but you not a response, sir. 2 days final day, sir. Then I will call you your WhatsApp, sir.
If you're calling from
Update, sir, your account we are updating, sir. Okay.
if you're calling from Manama, then why your code is dialing +994? This is not Bahrain Manama code.
Sir. My dear brother, this number is computer, sir. Okay.
Then why you using computer? You don't have office number?
Sir, this is your final day, sir. Okay, you're not updated, sir. We are close your account and your Benefitpay, sir.
No, it's fine. Why you will close?
Sir, why you not updated, sir, your account and your Benefitpay, sir?
No, but my concern is that
2 days notification your number. Why you not updated, sir?
No, listen to me first. If you are from Benefitpay, then you are calling from Manama. You're not calling from your office number. You're calling me WhatsApp +994. Why?
Sir, this number is computer, sir. Okay.
Why you using computer? You don't have telephone?
Sir, I will call you and I will notification send you your number.
Okay. Why you send? How you send notification? From which number you send me notification?
Then I will call you, sir, your WhatsApp, sir.
No.
You need an update, sir. We are updating, sir. You're not updated. We are closing your account and your Benefitpay. Okay.
No. Why will you close?
Okay, just wait. You not okay.
No, I don't want to speak anyone. But why you not using from your office number? Yeah. Habibi, I don't know Arabic. Talk to me in English. Hello.
Are you speaking, sir?
Yeah, speaking.
Yes, this is Sari Abdullah speaking with you from the Benefitpay. The Benefitpay actually you're using.
Yes, I know.
Sir, dear client, first 3 days I sent the message from your bank is that your benefit application has been closed right now. Okay.
How did you send? Listen. How did you send me the notification? WhatsApp sending or message sending?
Is the message coming your is the Benefitpay, okay?
Okay, but I did not receive. Can you send me notification now?
Just hold on. I sent her the new message and now we have to verify your account, okay?
Send.
You want to continue this account?
Send me the notification. I want to check first.
Okay, just hold on. I send it, okay? Wait for a while. Yeah, just hold on. Just hold on. Now I have to send it right now the message, okay?
Send me. I will check. What is your office number?
Yes, the office number is 950.
Your office number.
I will give you my.
Hello. See, they cut the line. They are fraud, scammer.